Hello, U.S. history students, and welcome to the Week 15 quiz. This quiz will have 10 questions and will be worth 20 points. Question 1. How did the trade embargoes and blockades during the War of 1812 impact production of textiles and other goods in America? The war lasted longer because of resentment over trade. B. America became more self-sufficient and new industries prospered and grew. C. Shortages almost destroyed the American economy. Or D. Quality dropped way off because British machinery was unavailable. Question number 2. Which was not a reason that New England became the center of the American Industrial Revolution? A. New England's access to the nearby state of Pennsylvania's abundant supply of coal. B. New England's coastal trading ports on or near the Atlantic Ocean. C. New England's large number of swift-flowing rivers that could produce power. Or D. New England's climate that supported large plantations. Question number 3. Which two of the following correctly explains Eli Whitney's contributions and impacts on the Industrial Revolution? He invented the automobile and changed how people traveled. He invented the cotton gin, resulting in increased production of cotton and demand of slaves. He invented the telephone and forever changed the way that people communicated and business was done. And the last option, he was responsible for introducing the concept of interchangeable parts. Remember, you're looking for the two. It says which two of the following correctly explains Eli Whitney's contributions and impacts on the Industrial Revolution. Number 4, which invention delivered electricity to homes and businesses in the late 1800s? The point-and-shoot camera, the telephone, the light bulb, or alternating current? Number 5. What was the most common impact of new inventions on American life? They created problems, increased pollution, and made life harder. They reduced costs, but made life more difficult. They made life easier, more productive, and more profitable. Or the final option, they increased costs and provided a basis for family disputes. What was the impact of Morse's telegraph on communication? A. It motivated European investors to put money into the American market. B. It sped up the delivery of news and information, promoting the development of a market economy. C. It allowed politicians within a state to prepare more efficiently for their congressional sessions. D. It brought a means of rapid communication into the homes of ordinary citizens. Question number 7. The building of the railroads impacted the economy and new business practices in the late 1800s. Which of these is not one of those impacts? New industries emerged, such as lumber, coal, and steel. They led to longer and unreasonable shipping times for goods and travelers. Cities grew in the West and became shipping centers, or they formed corporations and issued stocks and bonds. Question number 8. Americans were looking to improve their transportation systems in the early 1800s, primarily so that they could A. Reduce the amount of traffic on overcrowded highways. B. Support growing immigration to the United States. C. Take advantage of national market economy by getting their goods to market more easily. Or D. Defend the country from potential attack by Mexico. 9. What factor led to the growth of the suburbs following World War II? A. City housing had been destroyed during the war and needed to be rebuilt. B. A migration of whites to the north had created a housing shortage in the cities. C. The federal government offered tax incentives to anyone who moved to the suburbs. Or D. Developers built affordable, mass-produced houses in places like Levittown. Question 10. What was not a result of the car culture that developed in the post-war era? A. More families were able to live in the suburbs and commute to work. B. Car sales decreased because people were concerned about fuel consumption. C. The percentage of families owning cars increased dramatically. Or D. Congress passed legislation to construct the interstate highway system. When you're done with your quiz, make sure you click Submit Quiz so that it goes to the grade book successfully, and it will show a grade in your grade book. Good luck.